I literally just walked in the door. Didn't even get to say hi to my babes yet, but I figured I would film a get unready with me / nighttime routine because it's been quite a while and I've been wanting to do it. And it's really late. I had a very hectic day / weekend. Some family stuff going on that I had to take care of. So I figured I would show you guys what a normal night of my life looks like. So I don't have any food in the house. I need to go food shopping. So I'm gonna order some sushi because that's what I do like 3 times a week at least. So I'm gonna do that really quick. I'm gonna do an avocado salad edamame. And I always get the same thing every single time. I do an avocado roll. And then I do asparagus, add cucumber and scallion. Please. Baby man? Baby man, are you hungry? What? Okay, so my order's placed. Let me feed these cats before they kill me because it's 7:45 at night. Look at these 2 little loaves. Sorry, can I scare you? So before I get into today's video, I wanted to say, while you are watching this right now, my new collection is live on Velvet Caviar. I have my 3 beautiful cases. I will show you guys really quickly them again in case you forgot. They are available now and they are limited edition if you guys want to go check them out. Thank you guys so much for all the support and love so far. Go check it out right now on velvetcaviar.com. And as soon as you guys get them, please tag me because I can't wait to see them all in your phone cases. So exciting! Are you pushing away from your mother who feeds you? What do we want for dinner, my little boy? What do we want? Cheech? Chi-Chi? What are you doing? So if you ever have that problem where your cats are not eating what you're giving them, I found a very easy solution. If you sprinkle this on top, they'll eat anything. Baby man. Usually it's like gross, but just while he's still growing and eating everything in his path, I'll like feed them up here to start, and then once they've taken their little bite, I'll put it on the floor. But otherwise, baby man will go and eat everyone else's food, so. It's meal time. Come here, Barry. Pick one, there's so many options. He's like, I want the one that Cindy got. I guess Chai's not hungry right now. Mr. Man on the floor. Chai! Chi-Chi! Chi-Chi, what are you doing? Come here, honey. Ow, I just hit my freaking head. As I wait for my sushi, let's put on the fire. I love my fire. You helping Mama edit while she waits for her food? You're so cute, bud. Where's my sushi? I'm hungry. I think I heard the delivery guy. We'll see if the doorbell rings. Ooh. Hello, how are you?
Good.
Yeah, thank you so much. Have a good morning.
Enjoy.
Food, glorious food. You guys, I'm dead. Add me, and he has his Instagram. Shout out to you, Brad. Guys, sorry, but this is getting real. I like eating here, because I usually like to watch TV or something. I'm so freaking hungry. Avocado salad, and I got 2 avocado rolls, and asparagus, cucumber, scallion. I'm really, really hungry, and if I have leftovers, I'll have it for lunch the next day, so. It's so good. Guys, juicy gossip. I was sitting here editing and I was on Twitter and I saw Jordan Woods hooked up with Tristan. I don't know if it's true or not, but that is so beyond messed up. Gigi, thanks for joining me. It's always so hard. Want some sushi? Huh? Look at this leg. The leg. So obviously this isn't a mukbang video, so I'm not gonna film myself eating the whole time. But if you guys like that video and you want me to do more of those, let me know. Come to me. I'm eating really fast because I'm so hungry. Sorry if I'm a slob, but I'm alone. And this is usually Obviously, if I'm out to a restaurant, I'm having better manners. Not that anyone's asking me out on a date or anything. I was watching The Bachelorette, or The Bachelor with my grandma last night. I haven't watched it in years. And her and my mom were saying I should be on the show. I'm not trying to compete with 27 other women for a guy. Sounds like hell. But if they want to compete for my love, that is another story. The hair. It was like a white hair though, so it's definitely a bear hair. So I'm gonna hop in the shower. I use this to get my makeup off and then this to exfoliate my face. I don't know how I'm gonna film myself doing that. I'll try, but I don't want to be naked on camera. Don't be alarmed that I'm really pale underneath my makeup. I don't have a spray tan and I just kind of paint myself tan. I'll make sure to exfoliate everywhere because I don't want my pores to be clogged. Every time I get out of the shower, he likes to go in and explore, like literally every single time, so I always leave the door open for him. He's so weird. Look at my eyelashes. So this is the current shampoo that I am using, the Briogeo, and for conditioner, I didn't show it because I was about to flood out my bathroom. I have the Briogeo conditioner, which I actually just finished up, so I need to get another one. But these are what I'm loving at the moment. I also like the Dry Bar shampoo conditioner, but I've been using this one much more. And then for body wash, I use this. I stock up on this because I'm literally obsessed. Same thing with my face washes. So first I just take like a little wipe and just make sure all of my makeup is off. Usually it's all off on my face, but there's like a little bit left on my eyes. So for serums I use, I forget how to pronounce the name, it's like Babor. The one that I'm using is the Lift Express, and then apply it all over my face and my neck and my chest. And I always like to apply it in an upwards motion with very soft hands. For eye cream, I've been using this one. It's by SkinCeuticals Age Eye Complex. And you want to make sure you're applying it with a really soft hand. And I would usually go back and forth with different face creams. I've been using this one and I really like it. This is the Image Skincare Total Overnight Retinol Mask. All these products that I use, I purchased with my own money. So this is my t-shirts and tanks. I usually sleep in a tank. I'm gonna grab a t-shirt. So let's grab this one with the kitties on it. So if you guys haven't watched the Marie Kondo, you have to watch it. I organize all my drawers based off of her. I also have like my sweats in this drawer. I just had like a sweater thrown in there, but it's so nice because you can see what you have. I just grabbed these, they're comfy. And I like to sleep commando, ladies and gentlemen. So what I do is I like to blow dry the front out just because my roots are growing in for my keratin. If I just get a keratin, I don't even need to do this. And then once I'm done, I just put it in a regular braid, and when I wake up I have really nice natural waves, which I love, and then I'll just go in and curl the front or something like that depending on how I want to wear my hair. And then I just use a little elastic like this and I secure the end, and then I'm all ready for bed. You want to join us? I'm not ready for this. You sitting pretty by the fire? You're not real, baby. You're not real. Good night.